Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jesmin's Lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about our Ring doorbell. Recently we've had a lot of requests from people and have asked us about our doorbell, so we decided to make a video on it. Ring is a well-known brand that is part of Amazon. It offers a lot of features including two-way talking, advanced motion settings, night vision, and also works with Alexa. Everything is controlled through the Ring app. It's very easy to use. One of the best features of the app is that it gives you a timeline, so you can see when someone knocked on your door or if there was any motion near your front door. It also gives you a live view as well, as you can see here. One of the best features, especially with the new Ring doorbell, is the motion settings. So they've given more advanced settings now where you can control whether you just want notifications for people only, and then you also have this advanced zonal motion section here. So you decide which area of the camera, once it detects motion within that area, it will send you a notification on your phone. To have Ring save your history, you do need to pay for a service called Protect Plus, which is around £2.50 a month, which is really helpful because it gives you a history of everything that happens. I'm going to show you now an example of it being used. So late at night we had an Amazon Prime order sent, and we got this through the doorbell. We have it linked to our Echo Show, which gives a notification whenever there's anyone on the door.
Someone is at the front door.
The video quality is amazing considering this is night time, and I like the fact that there's two-way mics as well, so you can hear what they say. We've also got it connected to our TV, so it also sends notifications there as well, as you can see now.
Someone is at the front door.
This is a great doorbell. I would recommend it to anyone who's thinking about buying a new doorbell with camera features. It's got great quality, great sound. It's got a history there. You can also have advanced motion settings, as I mentioned, and also acts as our security for our front door, which is amazing. I'd also recommend using Amazon Prime for your food shopping as well. We got this within 2 hours of ordering, and it's from Morrison's with free delivery if it's over £40. Jesmin's back from taking the children to school, so I'm going to go put on some tea now. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, share and subscribe if you have not, and comment below. Take care. Allah Hafiz.